Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we'll discuss what you can do when you are unable to locate WhatsApp images on phone's gallery. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to check is if your WhatsApp is updated on your phone or not. For that, you need to head to Google Play Store and search WhatsApp. Click on this. Click on the update option here. Check if the problem still continues. If it is, then this might be because of some settings on WhatsApp. Let us see what you can do in that case. Head to WhatsApp. Click on the three dot option here. Settings. Chats. Here you need to toggle this option in on position so that newly media can be shown in your phone's gallery. If this permission is on in your phone, then the next thing that you can do is close this thing and long press on WhatsApp, app info, storage and caches. Click on clear cache option here. You can also clear storage, but make sure that you have backed up your WhatsApp data in Google Drive, because after clearing storage, you'll once again have to sign up. So make sure you back up data before clearing storage. The next thing that you can do is go to File Manager, internal storage. If you are an Android user, then this method is for you only. Media, WhatsApp, once again WhatsApp. Here. From here you can check the photos or videos. If you are unable to show anything in here, then this means that your phone is not downloading photos or videos. You need to make sure that you have a good network connection. If all this doesn't solve the problem, then the last thing that you can do is uninstall WhatsApp. So these were the methods through which you can fix when you are unable to locate or show newly downloaded media in phone's gallery. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.